From global fame to legal infamy, some of the world's most well-known spiritual leaders have faced serious allegations, legal cases, and dramatic downfalls. This video explores the real-life stories of 5 controversial gurus, revealing the rise, fall, and lasting impact of their actions. 1. Bikram Choudhury. Once the face of hot yoga in America, Bikram Choudhury built a multi-million-dollar empire with celebrity followers and global franchises. But in the mid-2010s, multiple civil lawsuits were filed against him, alleging misconduct and abuse. Though he denied the allegations, a US court ordered him to pay millions in damages. Choudhury reportedly left the country and continued to teach abroad, raising questions about accountability and influence. 2. Asaram Bapu. Asaram Bapu was a popular Hindu spiritual leader with millions of followers across India. His satsangs and ashrams drew huge crowds. However, in 2013, he was arrested on charges of sexual assault involving a minor. In 2018, he was convicted and sentenced to life imprisonment by a special court. His conviction shocked the nation and became a major turning point in discussions around power and spirituality. 3. Swami Nithyananda. Swami Nithyananda gained a large online following with his discourses on consciousness and science. But in 2010, a controversial video and serious legal allegations, including a rape charge, led to investigations. Nithyananda left India, and in later years, he announced the formation of a new nation called Kailasa. While many of his followers continue to support him, questions remain around his whereabouts and legal status. 4. Swami Premananda. Originally from Sri Lanka, Swami Premananda moved to India in the 1980s and gained a devoted following. His ashram in Tamil Nadu became a well-known spiritual center. However, in the 1990s, serious criminal charges were filed against him. In 1997, he was convicted on multiple counts, including sexual assault and murder, and was sentenced to life imprisonment. He remained in prison until his death in 2011. 5. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh. Known for his flamboyant style, films, and musical performances, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh led the Dera Sacha Sauda organization. While he had a massive following, he also faced several controversies. In 2017, he was convicted of rape by a special court in India. Following the verdict, large-scale unrest was reported in parts of northern India. He is currently serving a sentence, though he has been granted temporary paroles for specific periods. These cases raise vital questions. How do charisma and spiritual authority impact accountability? What happens when followers turn a blind eye to legal concerns? And how can genuine spiritual seekers navigate this landscape with discernment and awareness? While millions were disillusioned, others chose to continue their spiritual practices independently. The rise of online platforms and independent teachers has shifted how people explore spiritual paths, often with more transparency and checks in place. These events remind us to differentiate between the message and the messenger. Blind faith can be dangerous. Today's seeker must be informed, grounded, and willing to question even spiritual authority when necessary. Spirituality should empower, not exploit. If this video opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe to Yogi Chronicles. Stay tuned as we continue uncovering the deeper truths behind modern spirituality with clarity, honesty, and compassion. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. All information is based on publicly available news sources and legal records. The goal is not to defame, but to inform with respect and responsibility.